What's up, y'all? It's Jullien from the Multifamily Movement, aka your property brother, aka Mr. Multifamily. We're about to get started right here. I'm at a NOREA meeting, New Orleans Real Estate Investor Group, and this is where you meet the entire ecosystem. You meet lenders, hard money lenders, you meet commercial lenders, you meet wholesalers, property managers, real estate agents, investors. So you got to go to meetings like this because this is where you can build your network really quickly. You want to make sure you get the contact information of everybody here because these are the type of people who you want to be sending you deals and that you're going to go to for financing. So get out from behind the computer and go out and meet people. Real estate is a contact sport. You got to be in contact with people. You got to be in contact with properties. All right. So again, this is Jullien from the Multifamily Movement, aka your property brother, aka Mr. Multifamily. You want to learn how to do this? Go to multifamilymasterplan.com. Again, that's multifamilymasterplan.com. And I'll show you how to finance, find, and finalize multifamily real estate deals. We're about to get started. We're about to do a hot seat up on stage, and I met this guy right here at the Lowe's parking lot. So you might have seen my video before that. So we're about to get started. I'll catch you later. Peace.